Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are going to continue to the second subtopic 5.2 for chapter 5, which is composite functions. So in composite function, we are going to find, as you can see here, we are going to represent a composite function using an arrow diagram. And we are going to find a composite function. Let's say you want to find f(g(x) or g(f(x) or something else. And the other learning outcomes for this subtopic is we are going to find one of the functions where the composite and the other function are given. Let's say, given fx, you want to find gx, okay? Or given fx, you want to find gx, okay? The same thing. Okay, given gx, you want to find fx, okay? Alright, so let's proceed to the notes. So as you can see here, let's say if we have two function fx and gx, so we define f gx. So kalau tengok simbol kat sini dia ada bulat macam tu, that is a composite function. Or you can write it as f gx as well, which means f is composite with gx. Okay, so if you want to represent it as in an arrow diagram, it will be looking something like this. So let's say this is A, B and C. Okay, so here we have function G, here we have function F. Okay, so here we have X, and in here will be Gx. Okay, Gx. So G is composite with X. So here will be Gx. So here will be fgx, okay, fgx, which means this thing here is composite. We have f composite with g. Okay, as you can see here, we have gf, meaning that output value of the function f are used as the input value for the function g. Okay, let's say if we have this one, let's label this as ABC. Okay, let's say if we have F here, we have G here. Okay, so here we will have X. Let's say we have X. So this one here, the output values of the function F are used as the output value for the function g. So here will be fx and here will be gfx. So that means this is a g composite f. Okay, you have to remember that if you have g or f composite g, this is not gx times fx. Okay, please, this is a very wrong misconception. G composite F or F composite G is not a multiply of two function. The same thing like if you have F square X. Okay, so F square X means F composite with F. Okay, function F composite with function F. So here we are going to find the composite function. We have the function F and G are given there. So we want to find F composite G. Okay, first we can change this into this thing here, so it's easy for us. So first write down your gx. Okay, kita akan mula daripada belakang ke depan. Okay, for composite, belakang ke depan. So we are going to fill in whatever function that we have from the behind. Okay, so we have f. So gx here is x cubed. Alright, so now you have x cubed, so we just substitute our x here into x of your fx. So that will be 2x cubed minus 1. Okay, alright, let's see function question B. We have g f3. So instead of x, we have a value here. So gf3, so work from behind. Okay, work from behind. So we have f3 here, so that should be g, which means you have to substitute 3 into here. So we will have g f3 is 2 times 3 minus 1. So that will be 5. So we will have g5. So g5 means this is your x. So just substitute x into our function of g. So that will be 5 cubed is equals to 125. Okay, for question C, as I said earlier, f square 3 means f composite with f. So we will have f3. Okay, so from the back, we have f. So substitute 3 into function fx. We will have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 minus 1, which is we are going to get 5. So now substitute 5 into function fx. We will have 2 times 5 minus 1 equals to 9. Okay, so that is how you find a composite function. Okay, let's see example 4. Let's see if the question gives us 3 functions. So the same thing like we did before, just make sure you work from behind. So for now you have function f, function g, function h. So we are going to work on function hx first. So we will have f g hx. Okay, just write it like this and then just masukkan kita punya function. So our hx is x square. So we will have f g x square. Okay, so dari belakang juga we will have g x square. So f g x square is, so our function of g is 1 plus x. So x will be changed to x square. So we will have f 1 plus x square. Okay, so now this is a function fx, but your x is 1 plus x square. So you just have to substitute 1 plus x square into your x here. So that will be 2 times 1 plus x square. So our function of f composite with g composite with h is 2 plus 2x square. Okay. Okay, so last one we have h composite with f square. So which means here we have h f f x. Okay, which is we have to work from behind. So we have to solve this one first. We have h f fx, which is our fx is 2x here. 2x. So just substitute 2x. So the next one is we have fx, but our x is 2x. So you have to substitute 2x into x here. So we will have h 2 times 2x, which is we are going to get h for x. So now your hx, substitute 4x into h, we will have 4x square. So here the answer will be 16x square.